My name is Nicole Michaels.
I'm Nell Aberto.
And my name is Weldy Dubar-Colley.
And we are Anoka-Hennepin's pre-K to grade 3 parent educators. We're here to just tell you a little bit about our program. ECFE has supported families for the past 40 years, birth through age 5. But recently, the Minnesota Department of Education has now said ECFE is birth through grade 3.
So some of the things that we do are we offer online and in-person parenting series classes on various topics. You can watch them at night. You can watch them in the day. They will be recorded, so you can watch them after the fact. And we will have just a lot of really great parenting topics that can help families.
Now, what are some of those classes that we offer parents?
So some of the topics that we have include things like positive discipline, sleep, managing conflict in your families or at school, how to support your child's learning, which is really important for parents to know about.
We also offer resources on a variety of parenting topics, including sibling rivalry. Other ways that we can support families are coming into the classroom, observing the child, just so we can kind of get to know them, whether it's like their learning style, their love languages, or even temperaments. And then we will take whatever skill is and strategy that's being worked on in the classroom, and we will work with families to be able to mirror that and try to implement those types of strategies at home.
So other things that we do too is creating a visual schedule for your family, or if you would like social story, if a child is having challenges at school or coming home, separation anxiety for example, we can create a social story for that. And those are some things that we do to support families and also support our students in the classroom.
Catch us at parenting nights, PTO events, conferences, school-wide activities.
And the fun thing about this program is anybody is eligible as long as you have a child or student pre-K to grade 3. We're here to support you with whatever resources that you may need. Once you're ready to get plugged in, you can give us a call and we will be more than happy to support you and answer any questions that you may have.
Or if you're more comfortable, you can email us or also go to our webpage, which is another free resource for you at www.ahschools.com/pre-K to grade 3.
And we look forward to meeting you soon.
Awesome.
Yay!
That's it.